Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I trust you're doing great. Today I'll be teaching you how to make tiny spaghetti straps. Okay, have you ever wondered how to turn tiny spaghetti straps? Okay, do you want to make one and you don't know how to do it? Guys, trust me, it is very easy. All you need is just one item, and that is a bobby pin. Yes, this item you're looking at, this is the only thing we need. So you need your piece of fabric and then this pin. So here's the piece of fabric that I'll be using. The width is 1 inch. Okay, so now I'm going to fold the fabric into two, right side facing right side, and then I'm going to run a stitch from the top to the bottom. So after running the stitch, the width of the fabric now measures 0.25 inch. Okay, that is from the folded edge to the seam. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is to trim the excess fabric that is after my seam. Okay, I won't cut into the seam. What I'm going to do is just to trim the excess fabric. So after trimming the excess fabric, this is what I have. Okay, now that it is close to the seam, it's actually going to be easy to turn. All right, so now the next thing I'm going to do is to poke the fabric with a sharp object. Okay, you can use whatever object it is that you have, as long as it is sharp and it will make a hole in the fabric. Okay, so just like I have done here, I have used the pin to make a hole through the fabric. Okay, and it is at the tip of the strap. Okay, so after making a hole on the fabric, okay, you put the bobby pin through the hole that you have made, and then you ensure that the fabric is still trapped in the bobby pin. Okay, and then you put both ends of the bobby pin inside the strap. Ensure that both ends of the pin are inside the strap. Okay, that's what is going to make it easy. Then you push the pin through the strap. Okay, and then you pull your fabric at the other end. Okay, just like what I'm doing here. Push the pin through and then you pull your fabric. So once you can see your bobby pin at the other end, okay, just ensure that you keep pulling your fabric so that the right side of the strap is revealed. Okay, just like this. Now the right side of the strap is revealed, and this is what we want. Okay, so now I'm going to measure it, and then the width that I have is 0.25 inch. Okay, so that is actually what I want. Okay, so if you want a strap that is tinier than this, make sure that before you begin to turn your strap to the right side, the fabric measures less than 0.25. So here what I'm doing is to work on the second strap. It's actually the same process. Put your bobby pin through the fabric, okay, and then you trap the fabric in the bobby pin, and then you put both ends of the bobby pin inside the strap. Then you just pull it through. So here is what I have. The straps are perfectly made. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not. It really means a lot to me. See you next time. Bye.